hear your laughter beguiling, still to see the joy, the love light beaming from your radiant eye. Can my dreaming be in vain? Will my love ne'er come again? Ah, come, shall we waste the golden hours of youth apart? What care I for life without you by my side? Do not delay, the hours slip away. Your arms are my paradise. You and only you can fill my heart. O star of my heaven, come back and shed your light upon my